Hello students, today we are going to learn about a PCI, that is a peripheral component interconnect. So what do you mean by a PCI? Peripheral component interconnect is a common connection interface for attaching computer peripherals to the motherboard. PCI was popular between 1995 and 2005 and was most often used to connect sound cards, net cards and video cards. PCI is also an abbreviation for other unrelated technical terms like Protocol Capability Indicator, Program Controlled Interrupt, Panel Call Indicator, Personal Computer Interface, and more. Modern computers mainly use other interface technologies like USB or PCI Express. Some desktop computers might have PCI slots on the motherboard to maintain backward capability. However, the devices that were attached as PCI expansion cards are now either integrated onto motherboards or attached by other connections like PCIe, that is PCI Express. A PCI unit is called a PCI bus. A bus is a term for a path between the components of a computer. You might also see this term described as conventional PCI. However, don't confuse PCI with PCI compliance, which means payment card industry compliance, or PCI DSS, which means payment card industry data security standard. Now, how does this PCI work? A PCI bus lets you change different peripherals that are attached to the computer system. Usually, there are 3 or 4 PCI slots on the motherboard. With PCI, you can unplug the component you want to swap and plug in the new one in the PCI slot. If you have an open slot, you can add other peripheral like a second hard drive. Computers might have more than one type of bus to handle different traffic types. The PCI bus used to come in both 32-bit and 64-bit versions.